Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now I will discussion about measurement. Defi- Definition of measurement in general. The notion of measurement is the activity of comparing a quantity measuring with a measuring instrument or a unit. The definition of measurement is a dimension or capacity depending on the standard or unit of measure. In addition, a measurement can also be interpreted giving of number to a certain attribute or characteristic measured by a person. These are object based on a clear of agreed relay of formulation. Measurement is the standard measuring instrument with measurement result using quantitative quantities uh, uh, or number system. They can be done at anything imagined but to a different degree. For example, to measure egg, one can measure only because the object required is a feasible object with international agreed uptime unit agreed upon unit. It will be different if the object needed are more than abstract, such as intelligence, maturity, honesty, personality, as in accordance with the preparation, certain skill and empathy are needed. Kit of measurement and example there are two types of measurement, namely direct measure and index measurement using a standard measuring instrument with a measurement result is quantity or not system. They can be done at kinetic image but using quantity. For example, to measure height, one can measure exactly because the object required is a visible object with internationality agreed upon unit. It will be different in the object needed or more the abstract, such as intelligence, maturity, honesty, personality, as in accordance with the preparation of critical skill and perspective are needed. Of measurement and sample, there are two types or measurement, namely direct measure and indirect measure. Direct measure, namely compare the measure value with the standard amount of the receiver unit. Uh, Indirect measurement, uh, indirect measurement, namely measurement to right and the seller measure the mass of rice, which means this selects compare the map followed with predetermined mass unit like the unit mass of kilogram, gram, and other mass. King of measuring instrument when will measure an object. It is needed to in accordance with the amount that to be measured. A measuring instrument in physical are divided into four categories, namely length measuring difference, mass measuring difference, time measuring deficit, and measuring deficit of electric current stack measuring measuring instrument used to measure the light object. There are the three types of light measuring instrument, namely the ruler, caliper, and micrometer screw. The user of the length measuring instrument objective today desired a level of maturity so as to minimize the correct of occur in the measurement process. The ruler is a length measuring instrument that has a small scan of 1 millimeter, only as a length of about 50 centimeter or 1000 centimeter caliper. The caliper are to measure the thickness of a metal plane. To measure the outer and inner diameter of the pipe. They are important part they exist in the caliper are the sliding jaw and sliding jaw. The faces jaw as uh, jaw as a scalar color the main scale. The smaller part of the main scale as a length of 1 millimeter. Will the slide jaw of slided the nonius slide or cladded the veneer clad on the nonius scale? Uh, the scale is 2 millimeter long, 1 millimeter. It can be side uh, 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 the side one part of nanios. The smallest scan is also micrometer caliper. Micrometer caliper are length measure difference. They have a higher degree of quality. When compared to the caliper or ruler, the smaller occurrence of the micrometer coupler releases mass measurement to measure the mass of object actually of the phase challenge and balance after challenge and scale. The balance is seen as several types such as market balance. One is story. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.